Hi, I'm Brandon Bishop, and I'm running for Fort Walton Beach City Council. So I moved here in 2009 and moved in with my family, which I call my parents, and we started the Army Navy store. And it's been a staple in the city for years now. And so I want to give back a little bit to the city what it's given to the store. And I want to be a people person, so I want to get out and talk to people, hear their concerns, and take it back and incorporate it within the city council. So I attend Gulf Coast Baptist Church, and there I have led several ministries. I've been in a nursing home ministry working with the elderly and trying to be a blessing to them. We sing and we do a service for them, and we play instruments for them. And then I also play in the instrumental service of our church, and I play the guitar there. So I serve in the music ministry. And then we also have a children's church, and I serve in our children's church. And that is a every month basis thing. So I've served many ministries, and that's what I'm doing around here in Fort Walton. Anything with the church, I'm involved in. We do door to door visitation. I'm involved in that. So we are out trying to visit people. So I'll be the champion of whenever I go out and I meet people and I hear their concerns. I'm going to be a voice for the people. So whenever you elect me for office, I'm going to be the voice of Fort Walton. So you're not only electing me, you're electing yourself because whatever concern you bring, I'm going to take it back to the council and bring it up in a meeting and try to discuss it with them and try to get some of the other candidates on board to improve Fort Walton, make Fort Walton a better place for citizens to live, a better place for children to play, a better place that tourists want to come and experience whenever they come to Florida. So I do support eliminating the fire assessment fee because that has raised taxes on business owners and people who own property in Fort Walton Beach. There are other ways that we can get that funding as we could look into, the public library. If it's not generating money, that is a service that could be cut, or we could put stuff in there to sell that would be beneficial to people reading to try to bring up the revenue of the library sales and stuff. And then I would look into other areas of what can we cut, maybe giving money to charities, and we could cut stuff like that to try to raise money that we could give to the fire department for the items that they need. So the most pressing that I've heard is a fire assessment fee. So as described before in the previous question, I would, change the way maybe we give to charities and stuff like that and watch where the money goes a little bit more carefully. And then there's one more level that's sort of on the same issue is where they're wanting to build around the mound. I've talked to several businesses and some of the business owners and stuff, and they said that's going to hurt their business whenever they take traffic away from downtown. So I would want to see like sort of revise how it's getting built. That way it doesn't hurt the downtown businesses, some of the smaller mom and pop shops. So the reason that you should vote for me on March 14th is because I'm going to try to meet you, and then I want to hear your concerns, and I want to try to incorporate that back into the city of Fort Walton Beach and try to be for you and not for myself because you're the people that's voting me into office.